pay $15, we're only coming by for like an hour.
Right, right. You know, being a native here, I find the free parking, and so I can tell you where some of that is. So, so on Broad Street, which is going to be out here.
Yeah.
And if you go on Broad Street, you go north on Broad Street. So north of the QFC there's going to be a lot of free parking.
Oh, okay. Like the bottom of Queen Anne
It's going to be, yeah, Queen Anne Hill. I mean, it's going to be just a little bit of a walk.